So this is how you make a roll-up. So you're going to put cheese on it. Like this. And then you're going to get meat.
You can probably use that last piece.
And then you'll roll it up like that. And then you're going to do that like this. Roll. Like that.
Then you eat it. Say, that's how you make a roll-up by Addie Jones.
That's how you make a roll-up by Addie Jones.